Next, in this section, I will teach you basis of 1x etc. x power n is basis of Pn. What is Pn? Pn is a polynomial's degree less than or equal to n. So Pn is polynomial degree less than or equal to n. We have to show that 1s square etc. s power n, this set B is basis of this vector space. We already show that Pn is vector space under polynomial addition and scalar multiplication. So we have to prove that this B is basis of Pn. So first of all, we need to check B is linearly independent. So you take alpha 1, alpha 2, etc. alpha n plus 1. It has 1 plus 1 elements. X power 1, x power 2, etc. n elements and 1. Also 1. So n plus 1 elements. That's why we took n plus 1 scalars. Alpha 1, alpha 2, etc. alpha n plus 1. And write down the linear combination of 1x etc. x power n. Alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2 into x plus etc. alpha n plus 1 into x power n. And equate to 0. So first of all, write down the linear combination of 1x etc. x power n and equate to 0. So you got alpha 1 plus alpha 1 x plus etc. alpha n x power n equal to 0. Here 0 means 0 polynomial. That means 0, 1 plus 0x plus etc. 0 x power n. So we can equate all coefficients. So you got alpha 1 equal to 0. Next x coefficient alpha 2 equal to 0. Next x square coefficient alpha 3 equal to 0. Next nth coefficient alpha n plus 1 equal to 0. So you got all alpha I equal to 0. So first write down the linear combination of 1x etc. x power n and equate to 0. You got all scalars will become 0. Then we can say 1x x square etc. x power n is linearly independent. 1x etc. x power n is linearly independent. Next we can say this set B span B is Pn. That means every element of Pn can be expressed as linear combination of 1x x square etc. x power n. So here what is Pn? Pn is a polynomial degree less than or equal to n. So we can write the general polynomial of Pn is a0, a1x plus a2x square etc. maximum an power xn. This is the arbitrary element of Pn. What is Pn? Pn is a polynomial of degree less than or equal to n. So maximum degree is n. N minus 1 degree polynomials is also in Pn. N minus 2 degree polynomials is also in Pn. 2 degree polynomial, 3 degree polynomial, etc. In between 1 to n degree polynomials is also contained in Pn. So we can generally write down a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. an x power n is an element of Pn. So n degree are all these a1, a2, etc. an are non-zero. Non-zero. Otherwise, 2-degree polynomial means a0 plus a1x plus a2x square. 2-degree polynomial. So first degree polynomial a0 plus a1x. These all polynomials are in Pn. So we can generally write down a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. an x power n. Here you can see a0 into 1 plus a1 into x plus a2 into x square plus etc. an into x power n. That means here we get linear combination of 1x etc. Generally you take one polynomial that can be written as linear combination of 1x etc. xn. So we can say span of Pn equal to span of B. B means 1x x square. What is B? 1x x square etc. x power n equal to Pn. Here we can say n degree polynomial is a0, a1 etc. an is non-zero. 2-degree polynomial means a0 plus a1x plus e2x square. All others are 0x cube, 0 x power 4 etc. All other terms are 0. First degree means a0 1 plus a1x. All other coefficients are 0. That means first degree polynomial means a0 plus a1x. So we can write down 0x square plus etc. 0x power n. So first degree polynomial also linear combination of 1x x square etc. x power n. Third degree means a0 plus, second degree means a0 plus a1x plus a2x square. All others are 0. Similarly, this way proceed. N degree polynomial means all a0, a1, a2 etc. an are non-zero. But every element in Pn can be expressed as one polynomial P. You can take one polynomial P. Every element in P can be expressed as linear combination of 1x, x square, etc. x power n. Therefore, we can say span B equal to Pn. So, B is linearly independent. First we got. Next here we got span B equal to Pn. Therefore, B is basis of Pn. Okay.